Shakers! Super excited that you're with me today. I just want to give you a quick rundown on flex and reflex. So this is going to be where your next level begins or continues, but it's all about positive mental health, wellness, being. Long mouthful, but you get it. It's about your positive mental health. So at Flex and Reflex, it's the beauty of this experience. Are you wondering what it's about? Well, that's why I'm here, right? You're not going to be doing life alone. Life gets lifing for all of us. And sometimes we just need a little bit of a pause, and that's what Flex and Reflex is all about. So Flex and Reflex, the Positive Mental Health Wellness workshops, it's under the Empower, Innovate Movement brand. It's 3 organizations moved together. There's the Pretty, all about flame delights. It's celebrations to the next level of awesome. So we have some really nice decor. We're going to be coming into a nice environment because niceness meets niceness. Not always, but you get it, right? So as you can see behind me, I have beautiful table settings. I'm going to have some beautiful signs that's going to say, stay well. I don't know what it's going to say. I'm just working on it. That's what Tammy Services Corporation is all about. The strategy behind everything, right? So we also have Hills and Valleys Nonprofit Organization will be there. If you can be so kind to generously donate a ticket to a community member, that would be fabulous. Or if you yourself are looking to come, but you know, things are a bit tight, reach out to me and I'm sure that Hills and Valleys Nonprofit Organization will be able to sponsor. Just a little bit about Hills and Valleys Nonprofit Organization. If you're giving any donations and you want a tax receipt, connect with me. I'm a registered charity, and so therefore we can give a tax receipt that you can include in your taxes under Canada Revenue Agency. So I just wanted to say that we grow stronger together. So the concept behind Flex and Reflex is to make sure that we are all together. We are going to do life together. We do life together. And so therefore it's just an extension of togetherness within a particular set space of time. So 7 to 10, Saturday, August the 15th, we're going to be at the Rockcliffe Park Community Center. Beautiful environment, like I said. Decor, environment. We're going to have my beautiful daughter who's going to be playing her original songs. She's going to be playing on the piano. You can hear it under the bass line of this video. It's beautiful, in person especially. And she's going to be accompanied by another a musician, a violinist. So we are going to have that. I also wanted to let people know that there will be light refreshments. So don't worry if you're feeling a little bit nippy throughout the evening. We've got you. I've got some beautiful treats lined up. I also to say, taking time for your mental health, there's benefits. It's benefits for me. It's benefits for you. It gives us time to get clarity and direction. Tammy Services Corporation, we do provide clarity and direction with our coaching programs and our various other exercises, but taking a pause will help you do that as well. It's going to strengthen your mindset. As you go through the exercises, I have great exercises like organized. You're going to take that time to strengthen your mindset. You're going to look at it within, where am I now? Where would I like to go? As you know, we're going to be the 8th month. August is the 8th month, so that's like 3/4 of the year. So let's just think about, how did we do from what some of the goals that we set at the beginning of the year? This is just going to be a little check. What do we want to do to accomplish for the next quarter of the year? This is going to be a little place in a time. This was the strategy behind setting the workshop at this time. It's a marker where we can decide this is where we want to go, or this is where we need to make some course corrections. This is your moment. This is your opportunity for yourself to invest in your growth. There's a nominal fee, but of course, as you know, everything costs money. So the fee is to help us get together in an environment that's great. I do a lot of coaching services online and in person, but sometimes it's nice to have it in a community setting. So just wanted to also say, this is not really going to be heavy. Sometimes when we think about what it takes to invest in our mental health, we think, oh, it's a lot of work behind it. Guys, there's work, because life is about working, but it's going to be in a fun, interactive way. So you can participate, you can speak up, you don't need to speak up. It's all up to you. You can think things through, and you can interact, and you can share your ideas in a manner that suits you the way it is. So just want to give a recap of our year of dedicated actions, because as you know, we don't just do life, right? A well-lived life is filled with strategy. It is filled with those moments to pause, to reflect. So we are going to take this time. January, February, March, that's quarter one. That was a time where we were development and foundational building. So when you were setting out your New Year's resolutions or your, I think this is what I want to do at the year, that was that time. Now, of course, I've just put it in the calendar year, but we could do this throughout the years. But I'm just going through because this is going to be our 8th month. Quarter two, which was April, May, and June. It was all about strategy and action planning. Are we where we want to be? We're going to add some details and thoughts into our plans that we've identified, right? Our mental health assessment check-in was, are we comfortable with how we were moving forward? And the strategies and the actions that we had in our Q1 action plan, don't worry, it's okay. Everything is adjustable. As you know, life just lifes, right? So now we're here. We're in quarter three, July, August, and September. Now it's about implementation. This is Flex and Reflex. We are going to be putting and executing our decisions into the effects that can be carried out. Our mental health assessment check-in for this period of time is we're going to make sure that the activities and the commitments are within a level that we can manage comfortably. There's nothing more stressful than not stretching yourself enough or stretching yourself too much, right? So this is where we're going to take stock of our current position. We are going to be looking at how did we do for this 3 quarters of the year? How are we going to do for the next quarter of the year? So this is where the rubber hits the road, flex and reflex. It's all rubbery. Just joking. It's fluid. So we're going to have some activities that we're going to move around the room. We're going to have some activities where we're going to move around our minds, and we're getting ready because in quarter 4, October, November, December, it's about assessments and updates. And we want to give ourselves positive assessments, right? We want to identify how we made the most of the position that we were in. So as we prepare now for then, we want to take stock. We want to celebrate. We are looking forward to celebrating our accomplishments. We celebrate them now, we celebrate them then. And our next level mindset, which is our mental health assessment check-in for that quarter, it's all about putting long-term strategies. So, do you see all the stuff that we have happening at Flex and Reflex? It's okay. Take a breath. It's about pausing. It's about experiencing. It's about giving yourself permission and the space to pause. So the other question that I get is like, who should come? Heartbeats. Anybody with a heartbeat, right? We are doing a mental health assessment check-in. And we're checking in with the beat of our lives. We're checking in to make sure that we are good. So don't worry. Everything is open. It's made and tailored for you. Are you looking for something unique? This is it. Are you looking for something luxurious? This is it. Are you looking for something like mind-altering? This is it. The pause, the reflections, the flexing, the community. This is going to make it an event that you just can't miss. So I'm looking forward to seeing you. I'm looking forward to meeting you. I'm looking forward to connecting. Until we meet again, guys, stay tuned. Sign up. TammyServices.com/FlexReflex tickets. That's how you can purchase your tickets. Your spot is available and it's waiting for you. Your community people are waiting for you. And what else should I say? I should say, connect with me in the DMs or in the comments. Let me know if there's things that you're looking for. I've messaged a couple people. We talk, but I'm trying to do broad messages, so I'm connecting with you. So reach out, right? You can reach me at tammyservices.com. You can purchase your ticket, tammyservices.com/flexreflex. It's all these things, but if you go on Tammy Services website, you should be able to find the information, or connect on Instagram, you should be able to find the information. So, see you soon. We'll be giving updates until then, and have a great day. Celebrate where we are, we celebrate where we're going, and just stay tuned. So, check out the link, tammyservices.com/purchase your ticket. So purchase your ticket. I appreciate you. Bye, refiners.